God is reaching out with a message regarding a significant figure in your life, urging you to engage in a serious conversation. Your willingness to listen is deeply appreciated, as there are pressing matters concerning your loved ones. Despite current worries and financial challenges, an exciting new chapter is on the horizon. Type yes. Prepare for immediate financial success and boundless joy as underlying issues are addressed. Your monetary concerns will soon be resolved, thanks to God's blessings, making miracles possible in your life. While the challenges of recent years have not gone unnoticed, a shift towards positivity lies ahead. Type 1212. Maintaining an attitude of gratitude and faith is crucial for these positive changes to manifest. Share this message with others who believe in God, as their support can be expressed through likes, shares, and donations. Solutions can be found despite the challenges, guided by the Lord's plan already in motion. Type 444. Embrace the transformative power of God's presence, finding joy amid sorrow and moving from scarcity to abundance. Expect an overflow of blessings in the upcoming year as God takes charge of your concerns. Rest assured of God's unwavering love and continuous presence by your side. Understand that God is not a distant figure, but one who is near and accessible. Approach God with honesty and openness, treating Him as a close friend. Remember that God loves you unconditionally and is always ready to provide comfort, protection, and blessings. Release any burdens or fears to God, trusting in His ability to bring about positive change. Let go of unnecessary responsibilities and trust in God's plan to find a solution. Take your time in handling the situation with care, knowing that God is working alongside you to bring about the best outcome. Please donate us $100 support. Us keep faith in God's love and power, knowing that He will always guide you through life's challenges. Trust in His plan and allow His blessings to flow into your life. I am the source of healing, the one who can mend your brokenness and grant you the strength you seek. Know that your prayers have been heard and answered. Approach this revelation with an open heart, and you will emerge from this experience not only enriched, but also healthier, happier, and more abundantly blessed than anyone else on earth. Dear one, do not let anxieties overwhelm you. Never doubt my dedication or perseverance. While I may not be able to do everything, I am the God who performs miracles and handles greater responsibilities like no other. I am the beginning and the end, the Alpha and the Omega. Rest assured that I created you, know you, love you, and gave my life for you. Believe that serving me is the most important thing in your life. Share your fears, worries, and pain with me. I am interested in every unique aspect of you, and I want you to trust that I can handle them. I will always be here for you, comforting and protecting you with my boundless love, healing magic, and blessings. Always remember that I am with you, even when you can't see, feel, or hear me. I have a plan for your future, filled with hope, excitement, and the best for you. Trust in me, follow my teachings, and I will lead you to the life I have planned for you. You are valued more than any other family member, and I believe you are the most important character in our family. Have faith in God, follow my instructions, and believe in me. I will take care of everything else. Remember, I am always here with you, and I have no plans to leave. You are held in the palm of my hand all the time, and I will never forget about you. It's an honor for me to open doors that no one else can close, and the plans I have for you will remain a secret, known only to you. You will be in a position of great favor, experiencing blessings beyond your wildest dreams. Trust in me, even when you feel lost or hopeless, for I will guide you and focus on you. My impact on your life may surpass your expectations, but it will always be for the better. The love you will experience will be everlasting. I will honor my commitment and remain steadfastly by your side, surpassing all expectations. Whenever you need assistance, I'll be there to support you in any way you require. Rest assured, I will never abandon you. Despite the negativity surrounding me, I am the beacon of light that illuminates the best in all things unique about me. When we're together, I'll keep you engaged, ensuring you never dwell on loneliness. I'm fully aware of the challenges and pain you're enduring, and I'm here to lend a compassionate ear. Please share this message to show your support. No matter what unfolds, I'll steadfastly stand by your side to guide and assist you in your journey towards self-improvement. Acknowledging life's challenges, I'm diligently working to make things better for you and your family. Every ache in your body will subside, and blessings will flow to you and your loved ones swiftly. By extending my assistance, I'm initiating the healing process. Your desire for my presence speaks volumes, and I'm committed to aiding you because your success is paramount to me. Embrace this fresh start with relief, knowing that your worries and sleepless nights will soon be a thing of the past. Trust in my efforts to enhance your life. Forgiveness is a crucial concept, and your spiritual Father forgives your transgressions. Embrace forgiveness as it lightens the burden of anger and bitterness, allowing you to move forward with tranquility. While my presence may not always be visible, rest assured that I'm ever present, like the sun, offering constant support and guidance. Even if you can't perceive my presence, know that I am here, enveloping you with unconditional care and love. Trust in my ability to perform miracles and guide you through life's challenges, just as I parted the sea of reeds and revived hope. Place your trust in me, believe in my guidance, and have confidence in my abilities. These are the only requests I make of you. Know that you are not navigating your struggles alone. Consider this blessing a confirmation of our connection. Reach out and connect with me, your confidant and father. Our bond is strong, and I've spared no effort in expressing my love for you and guiding you along the way. Rest assured that I am attentive to your needs and committed to meeting your expectations. Have faith in my promises, and they will always be fulfilled. I have a plan for your success, a strategy designed to allow you to fully experience my love and grace in this world. The significant event you've been awaiting is approaching, and if you follow the plan diligently, you'll soon reap the rewards you've prayed for. Your consistent prayers will manifest as blessings, and as you embrace the fantastic opportunities before you, the rewards of your hard work will become evident. Financial worries are unnecessary, as I will provide for your needs according to my grandeur. I am intimately aware of your life story, challenges, and relationships. Trust that your love life will flourish under my guidance. Watch this entire video and have faith in God's plan. I will bring the person who will encourage and love you flawlessly into your life at the perfect time. When the time is right, I will introduce them to you, ensuring they become a regular part of your life. Trust in this process, and do not fear following your heart. Pursue your dreams and ambitions without hesitation, knowing that I am with you every step of the way, rooting for your success.